In today's video, I'll show you how to schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams the right way. Microsoft Teams is a powerful collaboration platform that helps teams stay connected, whether you're working in the same office or collaborating from different locations. No matter your experience level, knowing how to schedule meetings in Teams is an essential skill that can save time and boost productivity. To get started, open Microsoft Teams. If you have the desktop app installed, launch it directly from your computer. If you're using the web version, simply go to the Teams website and sign in with your account. Once logged in, you'll land on the main Teams dashboard where you can access chats, meetings, files, and your calendar. Now let's move on to scheduling a meeting. On the left-hand sidebar, click on the Meetings option. This area shows your upcoming meetings and gives you the ability to create a new one. Look for the Schedule a Meeting button and click it to open the meeting setup window. In the scheduling screen, start by giving your meeting a clear and descriptive title. A good title helps attendees quickly understand the purpose of the meeting. Next, add the participants by entering their email addresses. Once invited, they'll receive notifications so they don't miss the meeting. After that, set the date and time. Choose a schedule that works for everyone involved. Microsoft Teams can display participant availability, making it easier to find a time that fits everyone's calendar. If the meeting includes an in-person component, you can add a location. For online-only meetings, you can leave this blank. There's also a section for additional details. This is where you can include important information such as the meeting agenda, shared documents, links, or any notes participants should review ahead of time. Adding these details helps ensure everyone joins the meeting prepared. Once everything is filled out, click Done to confirm. Your meeting is now scheduled. Microsoft Teams will automatically send invitations and reminders to all participants so everyone stays informed. And that's it. Scheduling a meeting in Microsoft Teams is simple, but taking a few extra moments to add clear details can make a big difference in how smoothly your meeting runs. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.